Good, wonderful wet morning, everybody, and foggy. Wet Husky. Lots of water in the creek. Flowing nicely. Lots of puddles at the bottom bases of trees. I don't expect that there'll be many people out today. Blowing. The creek does flow every now and again. It's been very, very, very windy. Shockingly windy. There's only one branch down so far. There's a kookaburra. Happy to see us. Meet the day. It's just spitting at the moment. So saying that, I've still got a full coat on, and of course my hat. Never leave home without my hat. This girl's been housebound. So she hadn't wanted to go out in the backyard when it's pouring and rain. Couldn't go for walkies because it was pouring and rain. So I thought, well, can't leave it for too long. So we really, really need to go for a walk today. So, yeah, she wasn't expecting to go for a walk. She was upset this morning. She thought that she wasn't going to go for a walk because it was raining. I said, no, we'll go for a walk. She was so happy. Unfortunately, all the good sniffs have been washed away yesterday. So, it's only been a day since she hasn't gone for a walk. So it's not too bad. It's all right to miss a day here, there and everywhere. And yes, I've got waterproof boots on, so my feetsies are nice and dry. Bottom of my trousers would probably still get wet. Because even though I've got a full-length coat, it's about a foot from the ground, 1.5 feet. Little does she know, she's going to get a BATH probably in the next few days. We're supposed to be getting up to 21 degrees. And I'm thinking, that's a good temperature, and it's for like 3 days. It's supposed to be between 19 and 21. I think 3 days of warm weather, or warmish. That sounds like bathing weather. So she can have a bath and a chance to dry off. Because where she gets a bath, it takes a day for her to dry off properly. Yeah, even with the toweling. Unless I use the blower, but she doesn't like the blower. And also the tube on the blower is not in the best condition. Let's go straight through. Normally we'd cross and go over that way, but we haven't been doing that lately because of the number of off-leash dogs, and she's been sticking to the roads. And all this greenery, you might think, oh, it's lush and green. It's all bindies. The whole lot is bindies. So they need to spray the whole area, because we won't be able to walk on this soon. Once these it starts seeding. It's starting to flower now. Once it goes to seed, you can't walk on it. The bindies, they got very, very sharp little spikes on them. So it's like walking on cacti. She can't do that. I can, because I've got shoes on, but she can't do it. And the bindies get stuck to her fur and she takes them home. I've got no bindies in the backyard. I pull them out every few weeks. I pull them out from the backyard, and probably about 3 or 4 times a week I pull them out from the front yard. Unfortunately, the front yard is where I get most of my bindies because of the people walking past. They carry them on their shoes, dogs carry them on their fur. Yeah, that's just road runoff. Pipe ends there. The pipe doesn't go into the creek. It goes into the bank. Well, we'll leave you to it, everyone. Thank you for coming along for our wet walk. My camera is getting quite drenched. So I shall see you later. Take care, everyone.